Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is imagery. So what is imagery? Imagery is a literary device used to give a vivid description of the scene to the readers. So this will help give the reader a more real and better emotional feel and experience when reading that scene or that chapter of the book. Right? The more descriptive you are when you're trying to describe a setting, it depends on how important it is, of course, especially like with character too, right? Imagery you can do with for the scene when the character walks into a room and they explain what the room looks like, and it'll give the feel or the reader a better feel about what's going on, and then they can build that genuine feeling right with it. So if you have like a child that's poor and they walk into a shack that's leaking, the floors creak, right? Then the reader will be like, oh my god, I'm so sorry that this kid has to live like that. And then they'll have that real, right? They can connect to it, and it'll be a better experience for them to actually understand the character and what they're going through or what the scene entails. Okay, so I'm going to go into the homework real quick. So here I put, look up a picture and write out what you see so that others that cannot see the picture can imagine it. So by doing that, the person because remember, if you're going to be a writer, no one can see what you can see, right? So you have to describe it to them using imagery so they can fully understand what you're talking about. So above me, I love dinosaurs. Okay, I'm a nerd, obviously, but I love dinosaurs. I don't know why. I just love Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, anything with dinosaurs. I love Sci-Fi Channel. I love it. But anyway, so in the description right here, I want you down below in the comments, write some imagery about this picture here, okay? It's a castle with dinosaurs. How would you describe the scene for somebody who cannot see the picture? Let's say I'm trying to be like, make this a podcast, and someone's looking at this picture, or they can't see the picture, but I see it. How would you describe it? So comment below what you think. I'm going to throw some things out there. Let's say for this picture, during the Jurassic era, there was a Gothic castle that stood tall and mighty. But surrounded by this are dinosaurs, carnivore dinosaurs. In the air, you have the flying pterodactyls seeking their next prey. You know what I mean? Like, could you picture it already? Can you picture the Jurassic area in the middle of the forest, right? Huge trees, right? And then you have this Gothic castle, so you can, or I could say a Transylvanian castle, so you can think of it a dark, a Dracula type castle, right? And then dinosaurs, carnivores, right? I'm saying carnivores, so you have that carnivore dinosaurs in there. So that's kind of what imagery is. You're painting a picture for the reader that they cannot see. So you guys see this picture. If you are listening to this while doing other things, you hear what I'm saying, and you can kind of picture what the scene is, and that's what imagery is used for, is to paint a picture for the reader so they can get emotionally attached and invested into it. In this video, I'm going to be going over what is onomatopoeia. Try to say that 5 times fast. Okay, so this is a literary device, which is a word or a phrase that shows the noise that something makes, right? So down here I have woof and I have moo, because those are noises that are made. So this literary device could be used for animals, could be used for action words, for fighting words. So some of the examples I have here is like hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. That's an action, right? Our body's doing something, and then boom. Boom is a noise that something makes when it explodes or anything like that. And then wow, that's kind of for the comic book, because this is used a lot where comic books or graphic novels. Okay, so just here are a few examples. By few, I mean a lot more than just a few examples of what the noises, whether they're actions, animal noises, or fighting words can make. So I have boom, I have bam, I have ribbit, I have boing, I have smack. Wow. I have it's for the gulping. I got meow. So these are just some of the examples. If you have some more examples, put them down in the comments below so I can take a look at it. And let's see what we can come up with. If you're getting great value from this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to help this small content creator continue posting these videos to help you build a successful story for beginners. If you want to learn more about literary devices, I have a playlist right here, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Creative Writing Lessons. May the force be with you always.